On today's episode of my closet clean out, we are going to go through my sweatpants. I have two little shelves of sweatpants here. I have a gray sweatpant obsession. I was going to do shirts today, but I'm on my period and feel so bloated. I'm going to put them all right here. This first pair is from Urban Outfitters. I am obsessed with these. These are an absolute yes. Next up, we have these track pants, which I thought I was going to say no to, but now that I have them on, I'm really liking them. So we're going to go yes. I don't love these Pop Flex sweatpants, but I do love the matching zip up that goes with it. So I'm only keeping these so that I can complete the set. Otherwise, they would be a no. Pink camo vibes. They're from PacSun. Also, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I got some blonde streaks put in my hair for Coachella. I'm leaving on Monday and I really should be packing and not filming this. But I'm the world's best procrastinator and I will do everything that I don't need to do over doing the stuff that I need to do, which is this. But it's going to make you guys happy because you love my closet clean out videos. Okay, these are like really comfy for around the house. They're a yes. These tan wide leg ones from H&M. They're a yes. I wear sweatpants like every single day, so it's going to be hard for me to say no to any of these. Just kidding. I absolutely hate these. What the heck? What are these? Why do I own what? More gray. These are a yes. These are my only brown sweats and they're a little bit of a barrel sweatpant. They're a yes. I completely forgot about the fact that I was going to put them back as I went. These match my pink comfort travel hoodie. I will probably never ever wear them again because I don't like pink. But because they're new and they go to a set, I'm going to keep them for a little bit. We have some pajama pants in my sweatpant pile. This is my pajama drawer. I don't know if I would consider these sweatpants. They have a little tie on the side. They're from Addicted. Yes. Basic black sweatpants. Yes. I'm pretty certain I lied earlier when I said I only had one pair of brown sweatpants. These are comfort sweatpants. They go to a set and I never wear them, but I'm keeping them. I have another pair of brown sweatpants. These are Nike track pants. They're a yes. Another gray pair. These are Barrel. They're a yes. What do you know? Another gray Barrel. They're a yes. Gray wide leg baggy from Gap. Yes. Another gray pair. These are from Dick's Sporting Goods. These are some of my favorite sweatpants. Obvious, yes. These cream track pants with the white stripe are really cool. Going yes. Tan Barrel sweats. Yes. A blue Barrel pair. Yes. Yellow that match my comfort hoodie. It's a yes. These are the same as those light gray Dick's Sporting Goods ones, just in black. I love them so much, I have two pair. I think these are my husband's and he's probably looking for them. I will go put them back in his closet. And last but certainly not least, another pair of gray sweatpants. These are a yes. This was not a very successful clean out video as I only got rid of one pair. But come back for part 2. We're going to organize all my sweatpants on these two shelves. Bye guys.